Best table tennis quotes. Only passions, great passions, can elevate the soul to great things. 张继科. Champions keep playing until they get it right. Billie Jean King. I love the winning. I can take the losing, but most of all, I love to play. Boris Becker. Happiness is sometimes no word, just the sound of the ball. Unknown. I like to play table tennis, spend time with my kids. Floyd Mayweather. Table tennis has given me soul. Unknown. A champion is afraid of losing. Everyone else is afraid of winning. Billie Jean King. Life is hard. Table tennis is harder. Aslan. When you win, say nothing. When you lose, say less. Unknown. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Unknown. Throwing your racket could not make you any better. Unknown. Spectacular performance are preceded by spectacular preparation. Frank Giampaolo. Table tennis is such an interesting sport. It is fun to watch, but if you actually play, you will understand how great is it. Ai Fukuhara. In Olympic and World Championships, I feel proud as a Japanese to see the Japanese flag being raised at the award ceremony. Ai Fukuhara. I am standing when the ball comes. That is why I don't have to move. I can read the game. Jarno Bradner. If you want to win in table tennis, you must hit every ball with a purpose. Daniel Eves. I know China are very good in table tennis. Let me see what happens in tennis. I am very happy with the way I am playing. Anastasia Miskina. It was a good performance. A perfect start is always important at the beginning of any tournament, and I am very pleased with today's effort. I lost out of the opportunity last year, and I am keen to win. Timo Boll. You can go to battle with one weapon. Li Fuchun. Championships are won at practice. Unknown. In spin we trust. Emrethic. Power from the ground. Emrethic. Relax, explode, and then relax. Emrethic. Elbow, wide forehand, and then wide backhand. Emrethic. Never equate a loser with failure. Timo Boll. Shake hands with your opponent before and after playing table tennis. Sometimes when I shake hands, my opponent feels that she has lost. Zhang Yining. The secret of playing table tennis is hit the ball through the net and on the table. Unknown. The previous point has no meaning, and the next point is meaningless as well. The most meaningful is the current point. Coach Li Wei. When teaching beginners, ask them to stare at the opponent's hand when playing in the game. Repeat this 30 times in an hour. A coach from Shichahai Valley. Focus on the current point. Maybe this is the key point in this game. Dmitry Ovcharov. When the opponent plays the stroke that you are not good at, don't overthink. Just hit the ball back. Li Xiaoxia. Great champions always make many mistakes, like second-rate players. But the time they make mistakes is very different. Champions rarely make mistakes at the most critical times. Liu Guoliang. Focus and paying full attention in a match is the difference between a champion and a person who almost became a champion. Ma Long. Before you learn the techniques, you must first learn how to control the ball. Kong Lenghui. Stress is the best polygraph. How well your playing skills will be reviewed when you are under pressure. Real Sermin. The desire to win is buried deep inside you. You must dig it out. Cang Jike. Don't underestimate your opponent. Don't overestimate yourself, especially avoid thinking about results in advance. Wang Lijing. When you are in trouble, you can't escape. You have to face it, otherwise you will lose. Ma Ling. Most of the players are usually good at thinking, but not good at running. Ke Ziwen. The pressure in the table tennis competition is added by yourself. Unknown. Even if you are in good luck and good condition, you may still be losing in the game. Then you accept the failure. Person. The most correct reason for playing table tennis is that I love table tennis. Wagner.